Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first card using the Wrapped Greenery Bundle and the All Wrapped Up Designer Series paper. I love this paper. I think it's fabulous, and I didn't want to lose any of the detail kind of in the background. So what I did is I just put a piece of vellum across and just kind of roughed up the edges, tore it a little bit, and the 5 1/4 by 4 piece of Designer Series paper is roughed up as well. And this is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4. One of the reasons for using the vellum is if I had just done it like this, you would lose all of the detail of the floral pieces in the background. So that's why I use the vellum. And you'll notice on this piece that the bottom's cut off. I have die cut all of these pieces out of those 2 sheets of paper. There's some little bits as well that are cut off, like this one here. And that basically, I can still use that, and I do indeed use it here. So let's get started. This one I'm doing on a pool party background because I wanted to match the little pool party dots in here. So this is a 5 1/4 by 4, and I have roughed up the edges, just used a pair of scissors, and I'm going to pop this down like this. And roughing up the edges just gives it a little bit more depth and detail. This one, vellum is really difficult to tear, rip the edges. You can see it dings and that. I'm going to pop this corner down in the bottom here. And I'm just going to put adhesive here and here. I'm just going to rub that off because I didn't want adhesive all the way up there. Okay. And we're going to pop this down. We're going to line it up kind of in the middle there. And this is good. You really can't see. It just looks a little bit more defined. You'd really have to look for where the adhesive is on this one. So then I'm going to take this piece and I am going to just flat mount it. And I'm going to pop this along here like this, a little bit over the top, just over that edge a little bit. And I have chosen the pieces I'm using. There's different kind of color patterns to this. So I'm choosing the ones with more of the lighter greens in them. Sorry, there's the edge. There we go. Okay, this one I am going to dimensionalize the top of the kind of stem. And then I'm going to flat mount the bottom piece just so we get that little bit of lift. And this is a really, really easy way to get the lift that we want in a stem. It's going to help to not hide so much of the stem underneath. We're going to pop this down like this. And you can see how there's the depth there. You can still really see that piece that's underneath. This one we're going to do something similar, but we're going to use it to cover up those stems at the bottom and add just another layer to this. So this is going to pop down right here like this. I'm just going to turn it a little bit. So now we've got lots and lots of depth here in this card. This really isn't double dimensional, but it is up on 2 pieces of this Designer Series paper, which is really, really thick. So I have stamped the greetings using the Soiree Salutations set. I am in love with this set as well. There's a whole bunch in the new catalogs that I am really in love with. It's got Halloween ones, and it's even got Happy Valentine's Day, Grateful for You, Happy Thanksgiving, Cheers to a New Year, Trick or Treat, Merry Christmas, May Your Days Be Bright, and they all fit in the triple banner punch or the 3 banner punch. So it's a really, really good set. I'm just going to pop this down here like this, and then I've also stamped out of that set the Peace, Hope, Joy, and that's going to flat mount at the top, just kind of tucked in underneath. Lift that up a little bit and tuck it in. There we go. Excellent. Okay. And on this card, I used the adhesive backed metallic gems. I had some of those left over, so they've got the silver touch there. On this one, I'm going to use the array of dots, and I'm just going to grab my take your pick tool, and I'm going to use the small ones because they match the background just a little bit better, and I'm just going to tuck some around. There we go. And maybe one down here. So there we go. I have 4 on this one, but I think I'm just going to put the 3 on this one. So here we have our Misty Moonlight card base with our kind of multicolored and our plaid background. And this one is our pool party with just those fronds on there, and the greetings from the soiree salutations. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one you prefer, and let's create together again soon.